Hey everyone, welcome to Pinch of Pink Salt. Today we're going to be making a berry banana smoothie, and it's absolutely delicious, super easy and simple to make. And in order for us to start that smoothie, we're just going to need some bananas, some strawberries, and some blueberries. And we also will need a protein. I like to use chickpeas, but you can use oats or any other protein source. And we're going to add our bananas into the blender. Now you can add as many bananas as you'd like, it's completely up to you. Okay, now we're going to add in our strawberries and our blueberries and our protein source, which for me is going to be chickpeas. Now we're going to add in our plant-based milk. You can use soy milk, coconut milk, any type of milk you'd like, but I'm going to be using almond milk today for my recipe. And lastly, we're going to blend it. So you can blend this until it's at the consistency that you'd like. I usually blend mine at high speed, and it should look something like this. Okay, now it's time to pour. So I'm just going to be pouring it into this mason jar. I think it's really cute. And we're just going to pour it in, and the color is just absolutely gorgeous. And I like to garnish my smoothies with whatever I have on hand. So today I'm going to be using some granola that I have left over. And I also like to garnish it with fruit, typically whatever fruit I used in the smoothie, which I did use blueberries, and I have some of those left over. So I'm going to be topping it with a few blueberries and this really cute straw that I found at the store the other day. And that's it, guys. It's really simple. This is the berry banana smoothie, and I really hope you guys give it a try. I promise you'll love it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and let me know in the description box or in the comment box below if you try this recipe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. And until next time, have a great day.